In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge error code status _access_ violation using a simple rename method and a quick settings check in Control Panel. This is a useful fix if Edge keeps crashing, refusing to open, or showing that annoying status _access_ violation message when you try to browse. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows and E together on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, go to the following location: C drive, then Program Files x86, then Microsoft, then Edge, then Application. This is where the main Microsoft Edge program file is stored. When you get to the application folder, look for a file called Msedge.exe. This is the executable that launches Microsoft Edge. Now right-click on Msedge.exe and choose Rename. Change the file name from Msedge.exe to Edge.exe. Be careful to only rename the file and not delete it or change anything else in the folder. After renaming it, press Enter to save the change. Once that is done, relaunch Microsoft Edge and check if the status_access_ violation error is gone. In many cases, this simple rename can help Edge start properly again and stop the crash from happening. If the browser opens normally, test it by loading a few websites and making sure everything runs smoothly. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is go to Control Panel and change Microsoft Edge settings there. To do that, open the Start menu, type Control Panel and open it. In Control Panel, look for the section that lets you manage programs or installed applications depending on your Windows version. Find Microsoft Edge and check whether there are any repair, modify, or reset options available. If you see an option to change or repair Edge, use it to refresh the installation and restore any damaged browser files. This can often fix issues caused by corrupted updates or broken program settings. After making the change, restart your computer and open Edge again to see if the problem is resolved. If Edge is now working without the status_access_ violation error, then the fix was successful. If it still acts up, you may also want to clear cache, disable problematic extensions, or reinstall Edge as a last resort. But in most cases, renaming the Edge executable and checking the app from Control Panel is a great place to start. And that's it. You've now gone through a simple way to fix Microsoft Edge error code status _access_ violation on Windows. If this tutorial helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.